Have you ever seen a plant that shuts down when you touch it? Meet the incredible Mimosa Pudica, also known as the Touch Me Not plant. But what makes this plant more than just a cool trick? Stay tuned to discover its amazing health benefits and how you can use it in your daily life. Mimosa Pudica, or the Touch Me Not plant, is native to South America and Central America, but has spread across the world. It's known for its fascinating ability to close its leaves when touched or shaken, almost like it's shy, hence the name. But beyond this interesting behavior, the plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its wide range of healing properties. Health benefits and uses. One of the most significant uses of Mimosa Pudica is its anti-inflammatory properties. It's often used in treating wounds, skin inflammation, and other skin-related issues. The leaves and roots of the plant can be made into a paste and applied to wounds to reduce swelling and promote healing. Mimosa Pudica is known for supporting digestive health. It's been used traditionally to treat ailments like diarrhea and intestinal worms. The seeds and roots contain compounds that help clear toxins and support gut health. In Ayurvedic medicine, Mimosa Pudica is often used for calming the mind and reducing stress. Its soothing properties make it great for those struggling with anxiety or restlessness. A herbal tea made from the plant's leaves can promote relaxation and ease anxiety. The leaves of the Touch Me Not plant can be used as a poultice to treat minor burns and wounds. It helps prevent infection and speeds up the healing process. It's a natural way to promote skin regeneration without harmful chemicals. Mimosa Pudica is also said to support reproductive health. In traditional practices, it's used for treating irregular menstrual cycles and other reproductive issues. It is also believed to have mild aphrodisiac properties. Now, let's talk about how to use Mimosa Pudica. You can prepare herbal tea by boiling dried Mimosa Pudica leaves. This tea is known to support digestive health and reduce stress. Crushing the leaves into a paste can be used as a natural remedy for wounds and skin irritations. Simply apply it to the affected area and let the plant's healing properties do the rest. If you're not into DIY remedies, Mimosa Pudica extracts are available in capsule or supplement form. These can be taken daily to support gut health and immunity. Like with all herbs, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using Mimosa Pudica, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have underlying health conditions. While it's a natural remedy, proper usage and dosage are key. So, whether you're looking to improve your gut health, relieve stress, or treat minor skin issues, Mimosa Pudica can be a wonderful addition to your natural health routine. It's a plant that does more than just react to touch. It helps heal from the inside out. Have you ever used Mimosa Pudica? Let us know your experience in the comments below. And as always, stay connected with nature for a healthier life.